especially in Dak Lak province, in and around Buôn Thuột city. You can also find Rhade communities in southern Gia Lai, Khánh Hòa, and Phú Yên provinces. Some online sources claim that a few thousand Rhade lived in Cambodia's Ratanakiri and Mondolkiri provinces, while others say there are none. My Jirai friends from those provinces, like Kiri Bui, told me they have never heard of Rhade communities there. Rhade, a respected Montagnard leader with deep knowledge of the Rhade history, confirmed the same. Also, Professor Ian Beard, who researches indigenous peoples in northeast Cambodia, told me there are no native Rhade in these provinces. If any Rhade are present today, they likely arrived through displacement during the Vietnam War or through